I'm Michelle Merlo, host of Buffalo Rising's Bitters. This series, sponsored by KegWorks, will explore unique ingredients of local cocktail culture and the products, people, and places that make drinking in Buffalo so special. If you are sober curious, you have options that allow you to prolong the party while staying hydrated and cultivating an atmosphere. A well-engineered concoction will maintain its merits even if spirits are added. We like Seedlip because it's a non-sugary alternative that can be paired well with juice or stand alone with tonic. For a shaken and not slurred option, this is a tale as golden thyme. Take an ounce of Seedlip's Spice 94 with a blend of juice from golden beets, pineapples, ginger, carrots, and turmeric. Shake it up with a few dashes of Fee Brothers Fee Foam, a vegan-friendly egg white alternative that yields complexity and frothiness. Finally, garnish with some gently smoked thyme. But this recipe can also withstand an ounce and a half of mezcal, vodka, or gin.